smoke that. It don't want to smoke now because it's been idling. If there was something wrong with it, it would have smoked. Yeah, see? The safety works.
Yeah, the safety works.
I can't believe that PTO though. Alright, so the PTO works. The body's in such good shape, I think we should just leave it as is.
Patina.
Patina, yeah, that's right. Gas monkey patina. Yeah, that's right. And just don't. That's.
See, that's all this on here is the seat.
Yeah.
You don't have trouble with that getting that seat.
I don't know though, because look, you don't change it off of there. See, at the safety's easy,
Yeah.
and see, it's got the 2 bolts. And let's see. Well, no, you're right. It is special because it's got the brackets down here.
See how the hell you get that?
Yeah.
See how we
Joinkies.
we got 1 or 2 hooks, and then it's got the rod that goes through it.
Which, if one of the Craftsman
If the
seats will
Craftsman
fit.
from here to here is the same, we can put that rod through it, and then.
But we both know if you
But
put
we know
a black hood or a black seat on this.
Yeah, look at this.
I know. It's like in mint.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take that off.
Oh yeah.
That adds value. Yeah, you can see you adjust the seat. Huh. You know,
Yeah, move the spring, move with it.
the whole thing.
Yeah.
See? The whole caboodle.
Yeah, this thing moves in and out.
Which is. Hey, look, you ruined the paint.
Oh shit.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Look what you did. We can't have anything nice.
See that shit move?
We can have nothing nice because of you.
Yeah, good hell.
You're always ruining everything. Yeah, you ruined it now.
Yeah, look at all the shit under there. Just pop.
I guess the seat wasn't all the way back. I thought it was. Guess not. Because look, there's look, there's paint under there.
Look at all that shit under there. And this thing, look. That ain't gonna hurt nothing anyway.
Well, you can see where they already painted it.
Yeah, they painted
See it?
black on top of it.
Well, no, that's the overspray of them trying to touch up the rust.
Yeah.
See it? Because that ain't factory. See it? No, well. But at least now we can drive it around. Like I said, we'll have to go to a junkyard and see if maybe we get lucky.
Yeah.
Never know.